So in 2021, 75% of foster youth left care without the adequate resources to transition into adulthood and independent living. Some of the barriers to accessing the care that they need include changing placements frequently, encountering long wait lists, and being matched with untrained clinicians.
FostrSpace helps solve that narrative. With the help of the UCSF team, former foster youth like myself were able to join the FostrSpace Advisory Board, a team driving change and developing the app to help tailor resources and develop a system and a space so that foster youth are able to get the mental health and wellness resources they need. Because at the end of the day, what better to determine what resources a population gets than the population themselves? As it stands currently, FostrSpace offers a wide variety of resources such as mental health clinician, peer navigators, and wellness resources delineated by county, and a wide variety of others with a nice little space theme. And it's currently available to current and former foster youth in the state of California.
So the app has been live for 2 years now, and all of the services on the app are free, so that eliminates the barriers of finances and insurance. And so the Resilience Challenge gave us a really cool opportunity to really hone in on youth mental wellness and resilience. So one of our aims to this challenge was to expand digital access to FostrSpace throughout California. To do so, we partnered with the app Soluna, which is a mental wellness app sponsored by the state of California to provide free support to all Californians ages 13 to 25. They've added a link to FostrSpace in their resource directory, which means that any of the Soluna users who are foster youth and are looking for more tailored and personalized support can be directed to us.
We've also expanded the FostrSpace Advisory Board. Originally, the FAB was put together with Bay Area, San Francisco Bay Area foster youth, but now we've added 3 new members to the advisory board, spanning all across the state of California to ensure that we have that enhanced peer support and are tailoring our resources to provide a much more personalized experience and covering as much identity populations as possible. And to focus and promote empowerment and resilience, we partnered with institutes like the Steinberg Institute, the Baker Institute, and California Coalition for Youth to create a series of policy and advocacy events, such as our flagship event, Foster Summit. Foster Summit allowed foster youth from across the state and their support staff as well, such as social workers, academic counselors like that, to be able to join in and meet with experts, experts on policy and advocacy, to learn about how they can get engaged, how they can participate, becoming a self-advocate, and really empower their voices. And many of these experts themselves had lived experience in the foster youth system. The results are just simply tangible. If you look, we have some quotes from participants. It allowed them to connect with others that have also been in foster care and see their inspiring stories of how they took their experiences and used it to change our community in a positive way. I learned a lot of new things. I was taught about the bills and to do a pitch to help change the world as well as be a voice for those who couldn't be heard. And even one of our new FAB members turned this policy and advocacy advice into actionable work by working in her community to get a no turn on red sign put at a very dangerous intersection in her neighborhood. And this is just an early example of showing what happens when you empower youth to be able to have a voice and make a change.
So we're excited to know that we are just seeing the beginnings of the impact that FostrSpace has had via the Resilience Challenge. Looking ahead, we are very excited to continue to expand access to FostrSpace through partnering with court-appointed special advocates, or CASA, on a 5-year grant from the National Institute of Drug Abuse, where we will be implementing FostrSpace and embedding it within the CASA support framework that already exists to support foster youth across California. And currently, as part of that grant, our FAB is designing and implementing additional app content specifically related to substance use prevention and intervention, which has been an identified need for the community. So we are so grateful for all of the support we've gotten through the Resilience Challenge, and we are excited to continue doing this work throughout the years. If you'd like to learn more about FostrSpace and our team, you can scan this QR code, but we also have flyers and some stickers and other goodies available at the resource table. So we know we're the last presenters, so thank you for sticking with us, and appreciate to be here with you all. Thank you.